we're just back in the Mayda job. Just been over a week on the frames and trusses and floor system. So this is on the elevated floor system. It's got 2.7 high ceilings, 2-story house. It is in a flood zone, so hence we've had to build it up off the ground. You can see they've done a great job. It's probably about 8 days of labour so far, and they've got about another day and a bit to go. So you can see what's left over here, so not much more to go. It's always important to have the right safety equipment as well. It's got edge protection, it's got stairway void protection as well, so any voids have got like a platform on top. We'll come back to this house in a couple of weeks' time once the roof's on, but you can see it's making great progress and it's looking really good.